Hi, everybody, and welcome to our baseball break for this evening. Tonight we have, 10 items for baseball, all from 2022 that we're going to be opening. If you're new to our group, welcome. Just go over a couple of our housekeeping items for tonight. Any rookies that we pull, we put into sleeves. Same with any inserts. Any hits that we have, we put into top loaders. Everything will be mailed out in team bags and in bubble mailers and will go out in tomorrow's mail. I'm just going to go over our items for this evening, and then we'll do our participants and our bounties. Starting off with packs, we do have a first edition for Bowman hobby pack. 10 cards in here, and we're always looking for a special hit. Then value packs, we got 2022 Bowman. 19 cards in here, looking for the exclusive green parallel cards. We got 22 Topps Heritage, 20 cards total. Always looking for special cards in there as well. 22 Diamond Kings, looking for the blue frame parallel. And 22 Topps Series 1. Royal blue base parallels on average. Going to hanger boxes, we have Donruss. 6 hollow orange and 2 diamond parallels in this box on average. And then 22 Topps Heritage. In here, we're looking for the Venezuela stamp cards. And then we have our blaster boxes. We got 22 Diamond Kings, looking for the Blaster exclusive red frame parallel. 22 Gypsy Queen, each pack should have that exclusive green parallel. 22 Topps Heritage. In this box, we are looking for the candy lids. 22 Bowman, looking again for those green parallel cards. And finishing off with 22 Donruss. In here, we are looking for the 12 hollow purple and the 6 rapture parallels. All right, and then just going to go through our participants. We did not sell out for tonight, so we randomized any of the teams that were not purchased. If you see your name in bold, we'll send you an additional team for that. Unfortunately, though, when we get to the bounties, you cannot collect a bounty on a free team. We got Jeffrey with the Diamond Kings, Richard with the Braves, Jim with the Orioles, Richard with the Red Sox, Michael with the White Sox, Andrew with the Cubs, Jim with the Reds, Alan with the Guardians, Brian with the Rockies, Joe with the Tigers, Paul with the Astros, Joe with the Royals, Andrew with the Angels, Michael with the Dodgers, Alan with the Marlins, Serge with the Brewers, Joe with the Twins, Brian with the Yankees, John with the Mets and A's, Andrew with the Phillies, Brian with the Pirates, Serge with the Padres, Jeffrey with the Giants, Paul with the Mariners, Joe with the Cardinals, Brian with the Rays, Richard with the Rangers, Joe with the Blue Jays, and Serge with the Nationals. And then our bounties we're looking for tonight. First off is an Ohtani auto or relic card. If we get that, not only will you get the card, but we'll send you a credit for $15 off a future break. Same with any Phillies or Yankees auto or relic. And then lastly, any card numbered out of 25 or less is $30. Again, that has to be a purchase team and not one of the ones that went out for free. All right, we're going to start off with our Bowman first edition, so good luck to all. And starting off, we have a first Bowman for Darren Baker. We have a Chrome Pete Crow Armstrong for the Cubs. Michael Escato for the Pirates. Luis Rodriguez for the Dodgers. Matt Frazier for the Pirates. Jonathan Klaas for the Mariners. Euribo Angeles for the Padres. Hedbert Perez for the Brewers, Yoelqui Cespedes for the White Sox, and Ronnie Mauricio for the Mets. There's that Pete Crow Armstrong. And we'll go to Top Series 1 next. Again, looking for the Royal Blue parallels in here. 36 cards on total. Then we got Greg Holland, Nolan Arenado, Pete Alonso, rookie Drew Ellis, Phillies City of Walk-Off Love. For the Braves, we got the RBI leaders. They're all three of them there. Alex Reyes, Isaiah Kiner-Falefa with the Rangers here, Jonah Heim, Andrelton Simmons, John Gant, Adam Frazier, Liam Hendricks, Tommy Pham, Jesse Winker, Ty France, Matthew Boyd, 87 redo, Trevor Story with the Rockies, Ace Stars of MLB, Freddie Freeman with the Braves here, Alex Bregman, then we got Mitch Keller, a Slugger reunion with Vlad Jr. and Franco. We'll randomize that between the two teams at the end. And then we got Freddie Galvis, Mitch Moreland, rookie Chaz McCormick, Jose Iglesias, Garrett Cole, Miguel Sano, rookie Matt Vierling, Shohei Ohtani, Michael Pineda, Brandon Crawford, Eduardo Rodriguez, Archie Bradley, North NL East Division Smiles, Jazz Chisholm and Lindor. We'll randomize that between the two teams at the end. And Charlie Morton. Up next, we have our Diamond Kings. Looking for that blue framed parallel. And starting off, we got Kirby Puckett, Ke'Bryan Hayes, Jazz Chisholm, Eddie Stanky, Eddie Murray, Freddie Freeman, Ed Roush, Javi Baez, rookie Glenn Otto for the Rangers, O'Neal Cruz for the Pirates, Tony Centillion for the Reds, and our blue frame is Matt Brash for Seattle. And then we have an artist proof Yordan Alvarez, Gallery of Stars Kyle Lewis, artist palette Ronald Acuna Jr., Garrett Cole, Trevor Hoffman, rookie Spencer Strider for the Braves, Thomas Sapucki for the Mets, and Roansy Contreras for the Pirates. So there's our Matt Brash blue border. And we'll move on to Heritage. And we got rookie Nick Fortes. Staying with the Marlins, we got rookies Zach Pop, Anthony Bender, and Zach Thompson. Alex Wood, Kyle Farmer, Paul DeYoung, Brandon Woodruff, Didi Gregorius, Dylan Cease, Lourdes Gurriel, DJ LeMahieu. We got Dansby Swanson World Series card. Rookie Tony Santillan. Dallas Keuchel. Jacob deGrom. For the Pirates, we got them retiring Clemente's jersey. Yasmani Grandal. Jesse Winker. Antonio Sensatella. Dylan Moore. And Lewis Brinson. And finishing off our value packs, we have our Bowman for 2022. And we start off with Ronald Acuna Jr., Giancarlo Stanton, Nolan Arenado, Cody Bellinger, Joey Votto, Bo Bichette, Anthony Rizzo, Manny Machado. Then we got Rookie of the Year favorites, Vidal Brujan. Wrong Ray, but he's still a good Ray. George Valera for the Guardians. That's Waldo Cabrera for the Yankees. Yosuar Garcia for the Phillies. Marcelo Meyer for the Red Sox. Khalil Watson for the Marlins. Yohendrick Pinango for the Cubs. Then Chrome, we got Garrett Mitchell for the Brewers. Esteban Machado for the Blue Jays. Ellie Dela Cruz for the Reds. And Warming Burnable for the Rockies. Put our Vidal Brujan up here. It's too bad it's not Wander, but still a decent Ray. And then we'll do our Donruss hanger next. Looking for those 6 hollow orange and 2 diamond parallels. There's our cards, our empty box. And starting off, we have Carlos Correa, Jorge Polanco, Andrew Vaughn, Shohei Ohtani, Austin Hayes, Matt Chapman, Pedro Martinez, Chris Flexen, Chris Bryant, Tariq Skubal, Trey Turner, Cedric Mullins, Lucas Giolito, Luis Robert, Franmil Reyes, Brandon Woodruff, Logan Webb, Frank Schwindel, Josh Donaldson, Juan Soto, Sandy Alcantara, Zach Wheeler, Dylan Carlson, Kevin Gossman, Kyle Hendricks, Joe Adell, Sean Manaea, Noah Syndergaard, rated rookie Tyler McGill. For the Angels and Mike Trout, Millville Meteor name variation. O'Neal Cruz, rated rookie. A Diamond Kings for Juan Soto. Riley Adams, rated rookie. A Juan Soto photo variation. Chas McCormick, rated rookie. Diamond Kings, Trevor Story. A Brandon Marsh, rated rookie. Josh Donaldson, Diamond Kings. Aaron Ashby, rated rookie. An Ichiro name variation. Tony Santillan, rated rookie. Cedric Mullins, Diamond Kings. Then Orange Hollow, we got Liam Hendricks. Bo Bichette. Noah Syndergaard. Freddie Peralta. Shane Baz, rated rookie. Ketel Marte Diamond Kings. And then for our diamonds, we got Royce Lewis rated prospect and an Anthony Rendon Dominators. And then our other hanger is our Heritage, and we're looking for those Venezuela stamp cards in here. There's our cards, our empty box. And we have Jesus Luzardo, Edmundo Sosa, Matt Barnes, Nico Horner, Dansby Swanson, Tony Santillan rookie, Dallas Keuchel, Jacob deGrom. We got the RBI leaders. We're going to randomize that between the two, Adam Duvall and Salvador Perez. That'll be at the end of the break. Ty France, John Means, Brett Phillips, Seth Brown, Jose Abreu, Cal Quantrill, Raimel Tapia, Luis Arias, Marcus Semien, Max Fried, Luis Robert, Tristan McKenzie, Alex Dickerson, David Fletcher, Jake Cronenworth, Anthony Alford, Colton Wong, New Age Performers, Vlad Jr., Gene Segura, there's Vlad Jr., another one we'll randomize at the end, the ERA leaders for the Brewers and Blue Jays. Rookie Tylor McGill, rookie Brian De La Cruz, Francisco Lindor, Austin Riley, and rookie Ernie Clement. We'll go to Diamond Kings next. Looking for that red frame parallel. Usually one on average in this box. There's our packs, our empty box. And we start off here with Byron Buxton, Ivan Rodriguez, Cal Ripken, rookie Hans Kraus for the Phillies, Artist Palette Bo Bichette, and Ketel Marte. Next up, we got Tony Gwynn, Randy Arozarena, Roger Maris, an artist-proof rookie, A.J. Alexy for the Rangers, aficionado Vlad Jr., and rookie Roansy Contreras. Up next, we got one of the best names, Cool Papa Bell for the Pirates, Joey Votto, Xander Bogaerts, rookie Chas McCormick, Maestros Shane Bieber, rookie Jarren Duran for the Red Sox. Up next, we got Charlie Keller. Alex Rodriguez, that one's for the Rangers. Fernando Tatis Jr. An artist proof for Ronald Acuna. The Art of Hitting, Rogers Hornsby. And Lou Brock. Next up, Vlad Jr., Francisco Lindor. There's our red frame parallel is Jackson Kowar, rookie for the Royals. And then we got Otto Lopez, rookie for the Blue Jays. Modern Strokes, Francisco Lindor. And rookie Kevin Smith for the Blue Jays. All right, last pack of Diamond Kings. And we have Max Scherzer, Sam Crawford, Shane Bieber, 8 artist proof for Shoeless Joe Jackson, Gallery of Stars Christian Yelich, and Aaron Judge. Alright, next up we'll do Gypsy Queen. Should have 1 green parallel in every pack. There's our cards, our empty box. And starting off, we got rookie Ryan Velarde, Anthony Rizzo, Jose Ramirez. I don't know why I couldn't remember his first name for a second. Carlos Carrasco. There's our green border. We have a hit in our first pack. And not only is it a hit, but it is a bounty hit. As we have a Phillies autograph. Matt Vierling. So a nice rookie autograph there for you. So that is Andrew. So Andrew, by the end of the night, we will also send you a $15 credit for a future break. There's our Matt Vierling autograph. And then finishing off, we got Paul Goldschmidt and Max Fried. All right, next pack, we got Gary Sanchez, still with the Yankees here. Trent Grisham, Marcus Stroman, Ryan Jeffers. Our green is a Dane Dunning. Mike Yastrzemski, and Matt Chapman still with the A's. And next up, we got Rhys Hoskins, Mike Clevenger, Xander Bogaerts, Logan Gilbert. Our green is Eddie Rosario. We got Marcus Semien, Edward Olivares. Next up, we got Starling Marte, rookie Vidal Brujan, Christian Javier, Shohei Ohtani. Our green is Cedric Mullins, Nick Madrigal, Walker Buehler. Next up, we got Luis Arias, rookie Joe Ryan, Brian Dahlbeck, Jesus Sanchez. Our green is Austin Riley, James Kaprielian, and Trevor Story. Next up, we got Ronald Acuna, Casey Mize, Manny Machado, Pavin Smith. And we got one of the mini cards, GQ Gems, Bryce Harper. And then our green is Jose Altuve and Anthony Rendon. And then our last Gypsy Queen pack of the night. And we have Carlos Correa, Ryan Mountcastle, Chris Sale, Luis Patino. Our green is Brandon Marsh, rookie. And we got Brad Rooker and Ketel Marte. All right, next up, we'll go to Heritage. This we're looking for the candy lids in this box. There's our cards, our empty box. All right, starting off, we got Orioles rookie pitchers, Zach Lowther, Spencer Watkins, and Mike Bowman. We got rookie Hans Kraus, Enrique Hernandez, Byron Buxton, Ryan Jeffers, Jeff McNeil. We got a then and now, Tony Perez and Trey Turner. We'll randomize that between the two teams at the end. Yusei Kikuchi and Will Myers. Next up, Phil Gosselin, Miguel Cabrera, Juan Soto, Brian Hayes, rookie Joe Barwell, Austin Meadows, James Kaprielian, Jose Berrios, and Mitch Moreland. Next up, Jake Odorizzi, Anthony Santander, Brian Goodwin, Rafael Ortega, Trent Grisham, Mike Soroka. We got a high-numbered Matt Carpenter, still with the Cardinals here. I am sure any update will have him with the Yankees at some point. G-Man Choi and Josh Bell. Next up, Brandon Nimmo, Taiwan Walker, Gleyber Torres, Eric Lauer, Josh Rojas. There's our candy lid. It is Bryce Harper. New Age Performers, Adalis Garcia, Kyle Lewis, and Framber Valdez. So there's our Bryce Harper candy lid. Next up, Tommy Edman, Wilmer Flores, J.D. Martinez, Sonny Gray, Dominic Smith. Oh, we got a patch card here going to the Mets and John S. for Jeff McNeil. Game used memorabilia. Nice little hit there for you. And then Nick Ahmed and Randall Grichuk. Next pack, we got rookie Colton Welker, Cedric Mullins, C.J. Cron, Adalis Garcia, Kevin Gossman, Jared Walsh, a high-numbered variation for Cody Bellinger, Ty France, John Means. Next up, we got rookie Rodolfo Castro, Victor Robles, Adalberto Mondesi, Anthony DeSclafani, Jorge Alfaro, Steven Matz. One will randomize between everybody, a 1973 flashback for the European Economic Community. And then we got Brett Phillips and Seth Brown. Then our last pack of Heritage. And we have Pete Alonso, Pavin Smith, Kyle Seager, Devin Williams, Brandon Woodruff, DJ Peters, Jesus Luzardo, Jose Abreu, and Cal Quantrill. All right, we'll go back to Bowman next. Still looking for those green parallels in here. There's our cards. Empty box. And we got Joe Adell, Yadier Molina, Jacob deGrom, Corey Seager. There's rookie Lars Nootbaar, Rookie Brian De La Cruz. High Five Futures Noelvi Marte. There's our first Bobby Witt Jr. Then we got Diego Velasquez. Hedbert Perez. Chrome Felix Valerio. And Rodolfo Nolasco. And there's Bobby Witt. Next up, we got rookie Vidal Brujan. There's Wander Franco, first Wander sighting of the night. Jonathan India. Bryce Harper. Fernando Tatis. We got Bowman in 3D, Yosuar Garcia for the Phillies. A number 61 out of 100, Brett Beatty for the Mets. And then we got our first Bowman's Braylon Minier, Luis Gonzalez, Francisco Alvarez. We got a green parallel here, Pedro Pineda for the A's. And then a chrome Blaze Jordan for the Red Sox. There's our Wander Franco. Give me 1 second. I'm sleeving up a couple of these cards. All right, next pack. And we have George Springer, Carlos Correa, Whit Merrifield. There's rookie Matt Vierling, rookie Shane Baz, rookie Jackson Kowar, rookie of the year favorites Rodolfo Castro. There's a Jason Dominguez for the Yankees, Aral Vera, Brandon Valenzuela. Chrome, we got Brady Allen for the Marlins. And Jorbit Vivas for the Dodgers. There's our Brady Allen. And Dominguez, unfortunately, I think last year was his first Bowman. Either last year or the year before. I don't remember which one, though. Next up, we got Gavin Sheets, rookie. Juan Yepez, rookie. Miguel Cabrera, Cabrian Hayes, Randy Rosarena, rookie Matt Manning. We got a Virtuosic Vibrations Austin Martin, Michael Trinia, Jorbit Vivas, Reginald Presidio. Chrome, we got Dustin Harris and Zach Veen. Next up, we got rookie Colton Welker, Jose Ramirez, Albert Pujols, Jazz Chisholm, Jorge Soler, Ketel Marte. We got number 53 out of 100, Hunter Bishop. That one looks like it's for the Giants. And then we got a Blaze Jordan, Jeremy Vargas, Curtis Mead. For Chrome, we got Logan Cerny and Maizel Gonzalez for the White Sox. All right, last pack of Bowman. And we got Yordan Alvarez, rookie Jarren Duran, rookie Kyle Muller, rookie Spencer Strider, Shohei Ohtani, JD Martinez, Francisco Lindor, rookie Jose Rodriguez, Tyler Soderstrom, Esteban Machado. For Chrome, we got Hendry Mendez and Garrett Mitchell, both Brewers. All right, and then we're going to finish off our night with Donruss. Again, we should have the purple hollows in here and the Rapture parallels. There's our packs, our empty box. And starting off, we got Adam Frazier, Trevor Story, Miguel Cabrera, Jim Thome, Diamond King Salvador Perez, rated rookie Josh Lau, Vlad Jr., rated rookie Kevin Smith, Barry Larkin, Kenley Jansen, Mike Yastrzemski, Tyler Mahle. For purple, we got Bryce Harper, Ronald Acuna, and our Rapture is an unleashed Ken Griffey Jr. There's our Griffey. Next up, we got rookie Cal Raleigh. A Pops Willie Stargell name variation. There's a Wander Franco rated rookie. Diamond Kings Casey Mize, Corbin Burns, Bryce Harper, Josh Bell, Max Muncy, Shane Bieber, Chris Bassett, William Hendricks, Yu Darvish. Our purple, we got Josh Bell, Matt Olson Diamond Kings, and our Rapture is an Elite Series Miguel Cabrera. All right, next pack. And we start off with rated rookie Joe Ryan, Clayton Kershaw, rated rookie Otto Lopez, Diamond Kings Giancarlo Stanton, Ozzie Albies, Jesus Sanchez, Eloy Jimenez, Randy Johnson, Vlad Jr., Bo Bichette, John Means, Jaime Candelario. We got a Max Muncy purple, Rod Carew purple, and our Rapture is the hit list Brian Reynolds. Next up, we got rated rookie Connor Siebold. Diamond Kings Wilson Contreras. Rated rookie Eli Morgan. Name variation, Stan the Man for Stan Musial. Ryan Sandberg. Nicholas Castellanos. Joe Musgrove. Randy Arozarena. Kyle Schwarber. Joe Morgan. We got a Independence parallel, Ian Happ. Ozzie Albies, purple. A Cal Raleigh, purple, rated rookie. And we have our Rapture is a nice one. It's a trending Wander Franco. Next up, we got rated rookie Roansy Contreras. Diamond Kings Sandy Alcantara. Rated rookie Greg Dykman. Diamond Kings Mike Trout. Gleyber Torres. Tommy Edman. Kyle Seager. Mike Trout. Omar Narvaez. Aaron Judge. Charlie Blackmon. We got a numbered card here out of 2022. If you can see there, it's numbered 1965 for Logan Gilbert. And then our purple parallels, Jesus Sanchez, Brooks Robinson, and our Rapture, another nice one. It's a Bomb Squad Aaron Judge. I like the way that one looks for Mr. Judge. So there's our Bomb Squad Rapture. All right, last pack of the night, and then we have a couple cards to randomize, and then we'll do a recap of our hits as well as where we are with the bounties. And we got rated rookie Jarren Duran. A Doogie name variation for Alex Verdugo. Gavin Sheets rated rookie. Diamond King Salvador Perez. Nate Lowe. Luis Garcia. Mookie Betts. Madison Bumgarner. George Brett. Austin Riley. Cal Quattro. Charlie Morton. Ian Happ. Purples, we got Eloy Jimenez. Pops name variation for Willie Stargell. And our Unleashed is Vlad Sr. That one will go to Washington. Let me just move these out of the way so we'll randomize the few cards that we have. And then again, we'll do our recap of our hits and where we are with the bounties. I think the majority are ones that have two people on them. So for those, we do odds or evens. We have 1 through 100 put into our randomizer. We'll hit generate. And for the first card, if it's odds, it'll go to the Reds, even the Dodgers. And that one is odds. So that'll go Reds. Here we got odds Brewers, even Blue Jays. 44 is even, so that's Blue Jays. Here will be odd Braves, even Royals. And 62 is even, so that's Royals. Here we'll do odd Marlins, even Mets. That is the Mets, since that's even. And then the last one here, we got odd Blue Jays, even Rays. That one is also even, so that's the Rays. And then we have our card to do between everybody. It's our European Economic Community. Let's see, 25. That's the Mariners and Paul. So Paul will send you that card. All right, and lastly, like I said, we're just going to go through we'll do our bounties first, and then we'll have our hits. We did not have a Ohtani Auto or Relic card, so for our next break, that'll be up to $20. We need 2 new teams for our Auto or Relic. We'll go Red Sox and Giants. So we're looking for either Red Sox or Giants in our next baseball break, and that'll be a $5 one. Any card numbered I-25 less will be $35. Our next baseball break is scheduled for a week from Friday. That's the 24th. It is posted on our eBay currently. If it does sell out sooner, we will try to do it sooner than that date. But right now, tentative date is the 24th. To go through our hits, we had our GQ Gems Bryce Harper. Trending Wander Franco, and that's the Rapture. There's our bounty hit, our Matt Vierling autograph. A Jeff McNeil game used memorabilia. Unleashed Vlad Sr. Our Rapture Bomb Squad for Aaron Judge. Our Wander Franco rookie. Our Rapture hit list Brian Reynolds. Rapture Elite Series Miguel Cabrera. A Wander Franco rated rookie. A Rapture Unleashed Ken Griffey Jr. Rookie Jason Dominguez. Our first Bowman Chrome Brady Allen. Number 61 for 100 and top 100 Brett Beatty. Our green Pedro Pineda. And I'm sorry, that one is numbered 47 out of 99. It's by his feet there, and it's just hard to see. But that was 47 out of 99 for Pedro Pineda. And we got Chrome Boys Jordan. Our red frame parallel Jackson Kowar. Bobby Witt rookie. Matt Brash blue frame parallel. A Bryce Harper candy lid. And an artist proof Ronald Acuna. Thank you, everybody, for joining us for this evening. Again, all rookies and inserts will be sleeved. You saw all our hits are in top loaders. Everything will be mailed out in team bags and in bubble mailers and will be out in tomorrow's mail. Again, we appreciate everybody for joining us this evening. We will see you soon. Our next football break is Thursday night. That one is sold out. And then we have a basketball case break Friday night of this week. That still has, I think, 20 teams still available in that. Then next week we have football, baseball, and wrestling with lots still available. Thank you, everybody, and have a good night.